Hey everyone, Greta here. If you're new, I am taking you through the entire process as I write my second novel, which I'm currently calling Project Poerava. In the last videos, I documented me creating my writing playlist, brainstorming, putting together a mood board, developing my characters, doing the snowflake method. I've done a ton of work, but now what I want to do is create a place where I can compile everything so that when I'm drafting, I can go to this central location that has everything I need instead of having to search for it when I need it. To do this, I'm going to be using a platform called Milanote, which allows you to create these project boards. What I really like about Milanote is I can add links and files instead of just like Pinterest, for example, where you can only add like photos and videos. I'm going to share my screen and show you as I build my project board for Poerava, and I'll talk you through my thought process and how I'm organizing everything. Alright, I'm just heading to Milanote and now I'm going to create a project board. Of course, I'm going to be calling it Project Poerava. You can change the color and the icon, but I'm going to do that later. Now the first thing I'm going to do is add my pitch. I just want this at the top of my board so I can always remember. Mine currently is Pirates of the Caribbean meets Hawaiian mythology. Next, I'm creating a to-do list. I just want to have a place where I can have a list of things that I need to be doing. I can also do this in the drafting phase if there's like certain things I need to remember to research later. I might add that here. For now, I need to outline and come up with a writing routine and word count. Now I'm just adding a link and adding my Spotify. These are the playlists that I built out in one of my last videos. Next, I'm just going to create a card that has the different themes that I'm going for. Next, creating a new board, and I'm going to just make this my mood board. What's great about Miro is there's all these templates and there's already a novel mood board template. So I just used that and added a bunch of different photos from my Pinterest. And then I just linked the article that inspired this entire idea. And then I added this photo, which I feel like just ties the board together. The last thing I did was add a folder for all my character information, but I'm going to be keeping that private. And then I am going to come back and add a folder that will house all my documents that I have physically written out. So for example, the worksheets that I've been writing on, I'm going to scan those and upload those here. So they are part of this project board. Okay, my board is done and I feel so relieved having everything housed in one place now. I really think this is going to be such a big game changer for me. I've said this in my other videos, but my goal with all this brainstorming is just to make the process of when I go into draft so much easier, because the first book that I drafted, it was rough, and I know drafting is particularly hard. So I'm just trying to make everything as easy as I can and set myself up for success. It's finally time to jump into a writing program and get set up and get ready to start drafting. So I think in my next video, I'm going to be getting familiar with Scrivener, and as always, I'll share that with you. Until I see you in the next video, take care.